Close your eyes and imagine this. You are sitting in your home in Jaipur. In front of you is a holographic display. On it stands a business contact from Tokyo. By 2030, this will be how Indian professionals do every international business meeting. By 2030, every Indian student will have access to an AI tutor that adapts to how they learn, like having a personalized professor from Stanford, IIT Delhi, and Oxford all in one. The student who starts using AI learning tools right now is 4 years ahead of everyone else. Right now, most people think of AI as a tool, like a calculator. You ask it something, it gives you an answer. By 2030, that is going to feel as outdated as using a fax machine. The average Indian knowledge worker will have 4 to 6 AI agents working for them simultaneously. The average Indian checks their phone 80 times a day. That is, once every 12 minutes of waking life. By 2030, that phone will be gone, not abandoned, replaced by a pair of lightweight AI glasses that show you everything you need exactly when you need it. Notifications in the corner of your vision. Navigation as arrows overlaid on the real world. A translation of that English menu item right in front of you as you read it. By 2030, a drone will be able to deliver emergency medicine to any location in India within 30 minutes. Not just medicine, blood samples, surgical supplies, and in some cases, the AI-guided robotic tools a remote surgeon needs to operate. This is not just convenience. This is the technology that will save thousands of Indian lives every year. India is aging faster than at any point in history. By 2031, India will have 194 million people over the age of 60. That is more elderly people than the entire population of many countries. And India does not have enough carers, not even close. For India, its deep family values and its care crisis, this technology will not replace human love. It will free human carers to give more of it. Wearable devices already track your heart rate, blood oxygen, and sleep patterns. The next generation will track glucose levels, cortisol, inflammatory markers, and then AI will analyze all of it continuously. AI-powered preventive health is not a luxury. It is the difference between life and death. The AI health revolution will save more Indian lives than any medicine ever invented. India has 22 official languages and over 1,600 dialects. This is one of the most extraordinary cultural facts about our country. And for centuries, it has also been a barrier. A software engineer in Chennai and a farmer in Punjab cannot have a deep conversation. Not because they lack intelligence, because they lack a shared language. By 2030, they will not need one, and India will become the most connected nation on Earth. Imagine being able to ask your grandfather about partition. Imagine your daughter growing up, knowing the sound of your laugh, your way of explaining things, your favorite stories, even if you are no longer there. This is not without complexity. There are deep ethical questions about consent, about grief, about what it means to let go. But it is coming. And India will be one of the countries where it matters most. AI in 2030 will not just build the future. It will preserve everything we love about the past. Every vision I have shown you in this video, every single one began as a thought inside a human mind. A drone delivery network for rural India, an AI avatar that preserves your grandfather's memory, a translation tool that unites 1.4 billion people. All of it started as an idea. And the distance between that idea and reality has never been shorter than it is right now. In 2030, the most valuable skill in the world will not be coding, it will not be engineering, it will not be finance. It will be imagination, combined with the ability to use AI to turn that imagination into something real. The best career of the next decade is not a job title, it is a capability. The ability to see a problem, imagine a solution, and use AI to build it. Whether you are 16 or 46, whether you are in Mumbai or a village in Madhya Pradesh, AI is the great equalizer. And India, with its 1.4 billion minds, its ancient problem-solving culture, its hunger for a better future, is perfectly positioned to lead it. The question is not whether India will shape the AI century. The question is, will you be part of the generation that does it? If the answer is yes, subscribe, because this channel exists to make sure you have everything you need to answer that question with everything you have got. This is AI for India.